It's time to budget for August. Hi and welcome back. I'm Kamika and this is Well Balanced Wallet, where I help you create healthy money habits and live a life that you love on your current budget. Today we are going to get a jump start on our August budget, so let's jump right in. The budget app that I use is Ynab, and you can always get a 34-day free trial by clicking the link in the description box. Okay, so my husband and I are a month ahead on our finances, and if you want to learn more about being a month ahead, make sure to check out last week's video on how to get a month ahead on your bills. So since we are a month ahead, we have all of our money for the month here. It's $3,600, and that's roughly what we spend every month, probably a little bit more, but we make sure we have at least this amount in our buffer category. So we zero this out, and we are ready to budget for the whole month of August. So we just go down the line and make adjustments where we need to. I don't think I have any trips or anything expensive coming up in August, but we do have a few medical things that we need to pay. So I'll be sure to save money for that towards the end of the video, because I think that's at the bottom of my budget. Okay, so phone bill, it's typically around $76, but I like to put 80 here. Internet it's usually $117, but we do $135 and just put the money in other categories after we've paid the internet bill and make sure we don't need anything else from this category. Oh, fun fact, I started a new job in June, and I just found out through my supervisor that I get a $50 reimbursement every month for our phones. So that'll be nice. I'm not going to add it or subtract anything from our phone category. I'm just going to put it in my budget as usual once I get it, and then we will decide what to do with it from there. So that's a neat little thing. And my husband also gets like a $35 stipend for internet too. So that's the same thing that we do with his as well. Okay, electricity has been through the roof this whole summer. I think the last one was $265. So hopefully this one won't be as high. We have $19 in here now. So maybe I'll do $235 to add to that 19, and hopefully we'll be under this amount for the month of August. I'm not sure, but we'll see. We can always make adjustments throughout the month if we need to, if we see the bill is going to be more expensive than the money that we have in the category. Gas, we didn't go anywhere in July because our gas category still has $74. So yeah, let's just add, maybe let's add $40 more to that and give it 114. I don't know, do we want to do 114 or do we want the full 150 and adjust? Let's do 90. Oh, that's too much. My math is off. I'm sorry. Let's do 70. Okay, 144. That's good. Water is typically around like 61. So let's just do $62. Car insurance is always $105.14, and that's for both of our cars. Life insurance is $31.88. Loans, we actually need to start filling our loan categories because we don't know what they're about to do with the student loan repayment, but I think that's for another day. Okay, moving on. Gym membership is just the Peloton app, which is $9.99. Fun fact, I also get reimbursed for the Peloton app through one of my credit cards, but you have to pay it first and then they reimburse you. So I always get that $9.99 back, and I just budget it through as usual. I don't make any adjustments to the category. Okay, for Apple Music, we typically use $37. I'm not sure why we have $16 left over, but let's do this. Let's zero this out. So we'll move 1603 to ready to assign. And then we'll do the 37 here. Okay. And so our mortgage is $1407.91. We've already put money into the home maintenance and repairs category, and this category is typically at least around $3,000, but we had a few things that we had to do in July, starting with getting a new roof. So I'll talk more about that in the debt snowball update that's coming up next week. So make sure you are subscribed so you'll know when that goes live. But yeah, so we're basically starting our home maintenance and repairs category over. Groceries, I'm gonna do $350. There's $59 in there already, but it's okay. Restaurants, we typically do $150. I'll leave it at $188. There was already $38 in there from July, but I'll leave it at that just because it's summertime. Why not? Okay, so for everybody's favorite part, we're going to ask Siri how much we should get for our spending money. Okay, so I did the random number between 25 and 75. Okay, and I use the type to Siri so I don't have to talk to her. And her answer was 60. That's probably backwards, but it says 60, so that's gonna be exciting for Care. So $60 for spending money this month. All right, and we have $822 left, so we have to keep our money left in mind while we fill out the rest of these categories. So for household goods, we do 100. Miscellaneous, we do 100. It was already $1 there for some reason. Entertainment, we do 50. Spur of the moment, we do 50. Christmas account is based on how many times we get paid throughout the month. For August, it would be 2, so that'll be $40 for Christmas account. And I know I'm skipping around, but I want to make sure I have enough money for everything that we need. School. So I believe my husband has made his last payment for school, but I'm not sure. So we're just going to leave it at 100 for right now, just to let him reach out to his advisor and make sure everything is done and paid for. So we'll leave that for now. For personal care, we'll do 50. Let's see. I'm not going to do anything for a new car just yet. Let's just scroll down. Okay, so I like to keep my car maintenance and repairs at $600, and that is where it's at, so that's good to go. And I mentioned that we have a few medical things that we're going to pay for this month, so let's do 300 in addition to the money that was already there for the medical expenses. And we have $132.11 left. Let's put that for fun stuff and trips, because we will be going somewhere sometime. So we're just going to try to go ahead and fill this category up as much as we can while we're not on a time crunch. So that brings us back to the top. We have zero money to be budgeted, which means we have a nice, clean, zero-based budget, and we are ready to go for August. So let's chat in the comments. Have you already done your budget for August? If so, what fun things do you have coming up that you've planned for? Or do you have anything in your budget that is nagging you that you want to go ahead and get paid off? Let me know in the comments. That's all for this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click the link on your screen right now for more Well Balanced Wallet content. See you there.